Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Stop by and take a look at the 2021 CX-9. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, stability control, roll stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.